The enduring power of English. Beloved teachers, colleagues, friends, ladies and gentlemen, good afternoon. We stand today at a fascinating crossroads in human history. A single language, English, has woven its way into the very fabric of our globalized world, becoming a lingua franca that connects billions across continents and cultures. But, is this a cause for celebration or concern? Let us delve into the multifaceted nature of English dominance and explore its profound impacts on our shared human experience. Some hail English as the great unifier, a bridge across the chasm of linguistic diversity. It facilitates international trade, scientific collaborations, and cultural exchange on an unprecedented scale. The ease with which information flows across borders, thanks to English, has accelerated innovations and fostered a sense of global interconnectedness. Think of the countless scientific breakthroughs, artistic collaborations, and cultural exchange that rely on English as their common tongue. These are undeniable testaments to its power to connect and empower. However, the rise of English as a global language has also sparked anxieties and criticism. Concern about linguistic imperialism is frequently voiced, with accusations that English's dominance threatens the survival of less spoken languages, who will be lost in the shadow of this linguist giant. This is a valid concern that demands careful consideration and proactive measures to preserve linguistic diversity. Yet, the reality is far more nuanced. English's dominance doesn't necessarily equate to the eradication of other languages. Many languages continue to thrive, adapting and evolving alongside English. We see the emergence of English's unique dialects and variations that blend English with local linguistic flavors. It creates a vibrant and dynamic form of communication. This requires promoting multilingualism and supporting a language education and fostering an environment where all languages are valued and respected. The English as a global language is not a predetermined path. It is a dynamic and evolving landscape shaped by the collective choices and actions by individuals and nations. We must strive to harness the unifying power of English while simultaneously safeguarding the rich tapestry of linguistic and cultural richness. This requires promoting multilingualism, supporting language education, and fostering an environment where all languages are valued and respected. We must embrace the opportunities presented by English global reach. Using it is a tool for understanding, collaborations, and progress. Using it is a tool we working diligently to ensure that its dominance does not come at the expense of linguistic and cultural diversity. Only then can we truly harness the power of language to build a more just, equitable, and interconnected world. Thank you.
Thank you so much to our contestant number 1. This time, let us all witness the speech choir of our contestant number 1.